Hi, I'm Alex. This is the Rode Stereo VideoMix X. The Stereo VideoMix X is a professional stereo video mic with a kind of a different look, feel and sound to the existing range. So the VideoMix X is a professional stereo mic. The capsules that we have in here are actually based on Rode Studio microphones. So they're true condenser half-inch capsules, which as you can see are in a coincident XY pattern. They have these neat little Rycote lyre kind of concertinaed shock mounts, so you don't get any handling noise transferring into the capsules. The construction of it is very, very tough. It's metal, it's kind of weighty. So around the back of the microphone, we have a set of digital controls, and these are set by just pushing the little buttons, and they are retaining the settings as you power cycle the mic. So you can set it up as you like. Every time you turn it on, it will be doing the same thing. Talk you through them. The top one is a high frequency lift, and this is designed to be used in conjunction with the furry cover that comes with it. So you push this right on, and by engaging this, you just compensate for a little bit of the attenuation that occurs by using a furry. So just in camera, you're capturing a really, really sweet balanced sound. Underneath it, we have a 3-stage high-pass filter, so you can just have it to 0, so it's not doing anything. And you can set it to 75 hertz, which just starts to cut some of the low-end rumble out. And then we actually have 150 hertz, so we cut a great deal of the low end out. This doesn't really affect the human voice, it's just the kind of low-end mud. So if you just want to capture the cleanest, most usable audio kind of in camera, so you've got less processing afterwards, it can do it. And then lastly, you have gain. So one of the key things on video mics is that it has a 20 dB boost mode. What this is doing is meaning that the microphone is supplying a really nice, hot, clean, loud, usable signal out of the mic. And then on your DSLR, you turn down the input level accordingly. And as you do that, you'll hear that the kind of hiss, the sort of analog hiss of your camera falls away. You're left with a really clean, pristine sound. And that is kind of the key thing with the VideoMix X. Because of the electronics and the capsules that are built in, the sound of it is just, best said, it's just like you're there. It's just got this very, very kind of detailed precision sound. It's obviously stereo, so just like our ears, you're hearing a localization. Something that was off to the left when you recorded is off to the left when you listen back. So a very, very naturalistic sounding thing, a beautiful unit. It just feels great. It's very tough. It has a 10-year warranty. And in terms of accessories, you get this little interconnect with it. That's to go to your camera. You also get a foam cover. This gives you a little bit of protection when you're shooting inside. When you take the mic outside, you use this. This comes with it. And the furry just gives really, really, really good wind protection. So the capsule is not affected by wind noise as it would be. Apart from that, one other thing to point out is that the Stereo VideoMix X has a connecting type that you don't see on any of the other video mics. It has these mini XLRs. And the idea with this is, in conjunction with a mini XLR to large XLR, you can plug this into a professional stereo recorder. So you plug it into a field recorder, you can actually supply phantom power from your field recorder to the X, and that'll power it. Or if you prefer, it does have a 9-volt battery, so it can power itself. So very, very nice sounding mic. Bunch of accessories, beautiful sounding thing, and yeah, hope you like it. For more information, contact Eastwood Sound and Vision. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers.